Hi traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the Gold Edge Pro EA for MT5. This is an expert advisor built specifically for trading gold USD. It was created by Brijesh Jaswal and is priced around $30 on MK5 marketplace. The developer positions it as a selective, filtered trading system for gold with no crazy grades or martingale stuff. Sounds interesting on paper, right? Let's break it down step by step, like we always do. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Let's get back to it. According to the developers page, Gold Edge Pro EA is an automated system designed purely for gold USD. The main trading idea is that it waits for multiple market conditions to line up before it takes any trade. It checks things like trend direction, trend strength, volatility levels, current spread, the trading session, and even candle quality. The EA basically sits on the sidelines if the setup isn't clean, meaning it doesn't force trades in weak or unclear conditions. However, once a position is open, it uses structured trade management, that is partial take profits, break-even protection, and even a trailing stop to help lock in gains, protect the trades as it moves. Now on risk control, they have built-in spread protection, session filtering, daily loss control or daily loss limits, drawdown protection, a cooldown period after losses so it doesn't jump back into trading, drawdown protection, like I said, and even optional Friday protection against the weekend. The whole page is controlled, selective, automated gold trading without those dangerous recovery methods that can wipe out accounts. They recommend using it on the M15 or M30 timeframes with a minimum deposit around $500 and strongly suggest using on ECN or STP brokers with tight spreads and good execution. There's also an on-chart dashboard that shows balance, equity, floating P&L, spread, session status, signal status, and risk info so you can keep an eye on things without clutter. And also, the developer highlights that this is a simple non-recovery structure with no hedging recovery, no grid, and everything straightforward and risk aware. You get ready to use set files depending on whether you have a micro, mini, or standard account. Just message the seller after purchasing to get these files. Now looking over to his claims from the developer. They say it has precision entries. How we get this to load, let's go over to my backtest results. Now I use the M15 instead of the M30. It's still recommended. In time period of 1 year from 2025 June 1st to 2026 June 1st. Now let's talk about what actually happened when I ran it. Testing on the gold USD M15 with a 10k deposit. Looking at the equity graph, it had some nice climbing period where it got some trends as we see here, but overall it gave back a lot as we see at the end. where it gave out a lot and ended in the red. Looking at the backtest result, profit factor was 0.92. Total net profit came in at a loss at about $525 negative, roughly a 5% draw on the account. The profit factor meant it lost a bit more than it made overall, as is below 1, and 798 trades taken, and a loss rate of 62.91%, outnumbering the wins. Maximum drawdown hovered around 8% on both balance and equity. As you can see, the charts grinding up during favorable moves, and then chop and drop during ranging or reversal periods, as we can see on the chart. Especially the steeper decline toward the end of the backtest. The thing is, the filters do seem to keep it from overtrading, which matches the claims, but in practice, this kind of selective trend following on gold means long stretch of waiting or small losses before any meaningful winner. Spreads and execution matter a ton here, as in live trading with real ticks and slippage, especially around news, those 8% drawdowns can stretch further. Comparing it with the claim from the developer, honestly, features like the session filters, daily loss limits, cooldown, and trailing management are the ones that actually matter for survival. The rest is nice, but secondary. My realistic verdict? This isn't a miracle worker. It's simply a conservative gold EA that can work in strong trending environments, but to test your patience in choppy markets. There's no hidden martingale surprises, which is refreshing, but don't expect smooth equity growth every month. Call fitting risk is always there with these newer EAs, and broker choice is critical. Who is this actually for? This EA is for patient traders with decent capital who are okay with selective trading, can handle drawdowns, and run it on a good broker. If you need frequent action, super high win rates, or can't stomach gold volatility, you'll be better off looking elsewhere. Now, if you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which expert advisor you want me to test next. And don't forget to grab that free report from the description. It's a solid addition to any setup. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.